See that right there? If you don't think this plug plugged into that receptacle can turn your trailer into an excavator, there's the proof right there. So what I had to do was spend money, get a new cable in, and of course I relocated the junction box as well as the breakaway. Took my bed frame, angle iron, and this is going to be the new base for the trailer box that showed right there. Right now it is beginning to rain. I'm going to go ahead and get this down onto the trailer because my goal is going to be to try to straighten this electric jack without having to take it off. Looks like I gotta come back a little bit. Watch the excitement, or lack thereof. Always better to have lack thereof. Yep, dug quite a hole. Mistakes we make, but life goes on, right? So my idea is I'm going to strap up somewhere around here. tie off somewhere underneath the frame of the truck and pull this that way in order to straighten it out. Alright, so the plan is we've got the trailer attached at the ball to the truck. Strap around the foot. The other end of the cable come along to the frame. So we're going to try and pull this thing straight. See what happens. It moved, and like anything, when you're trying to straighten it out, you have to pull it a little bit past center. In this case, I think I'm going to just keep a little tension on it to pull it past, so that the metal has a memory. So we'll see how this works out. So far, it looks pretty good. Yeah, this is what you do when you don't have too many choices. No, this is what you do when you figure stuff out.